welcome back. So today is the day we've been waiting for.
We're going to see the orangutans and then to see the sun bears as well.
And then this afternoon we're going to head out on a river cruise to go and see if we can find them in the wild. We were just saying how tiny it makes you feel when you've stood in that amongst it. It is huge. So we've just come from the Orangutan and Bear Centre.
We're now at the water village before getting our boat to the rainforest.
When we've got a bit more time, we'll explain a little bit about what we got up to when we were there. So it's been a couple hours since we last spoke.
We've had a bit of lunch in between and we've also arrived at our resort.
This place is amazing, it's like so nice, there's a swimming pool and everything. So yesterday we didn't get a chance to film this. We arrived at 4 and then we were going out on a river cruise excursion at 4:30, so we didn't actually have a chance to film it, so we thought we'd do it now. We wanted to basically fill you in on the Orangutan Centre. The work they do there is absolutely incredible.
We didn't really know what to expect from the centre since we didn't give it much research because we wanted it to be a surprise mostly.
Yeah.
And as you're walking in, it's just so open. It is literally the rainforest, but it's protected so that orangutans don't get hurt by any poachers.
So at the centre they have a nursery and then they also have a feeding platform for both wild and semi-wild orangutans.
The idea of the feeding platform is that obviously the workers will put the food down there for them. Unfortunately, we didn't get to see any on the feeding platform when we were there. However, that's actually a really good thing because it means the orangutans are out there in the wild looking for fruit themselves.
So it means the programme they've got in place is actually working.
Meaning the orangutans can just come and go as they please. When they're comfortable to go and get food for themselves, they can do.
So the only place we got to see the orangutans was actually in the nursery.
Where all the orangutans there are really young. Unfortunately, their mothers have been taken away from them at a really young age due to poachers. So the system they've got in place is a one-way glass. Since the interaction they've had so far with humans hasn't been great with poachers and things like that, the idea being that they can't see us but we can see them.
So it just gives the baby orangutans time to be reintroduced to humans. So there's only a handful of people that can actually go in and obviously feed the babies and look after them and clean them and everything that the mother orangutan would normally do. So after the orangutans we went over to the Sun Bear Centre. So it's the same with the orangutans. Once they're rehabilitated, they're then released back into the wild.
I assume if you're going to Borneo, one of the top things you will be doing will be going to the orangutans. If it's not, go. Whilst you're there, you can adopt an orangutan as well. We'll have links below of all the details of the website that you can do that even from your home country.
So yesterday, like we said, we went on a cruise in the afternoon and here's what we got up to.
Sarong for dinner.
It's very fashionable, but he didn't really explain how the thing, it goes like this and then you fold it like so. Yeah.
Perfect, that's great.
I feel like it's gonna come off. Cool, so we've got our snazzy sarongs on, although I didn't want the ones with flowers on it, so I switched with Chloe. So now we've got checkers. Oh yes. So we're gonna head for dinner now and we will see you tomorrow. We've now got our very... Oh, Jesus.
So every time we stay outside, obviously all the lights attract loads of bugs. So getting into your room, we don't want to let all the bugs in, so we always do a little scarf up. Right, have you unlocked it? It's like a military operation.